Alrighty, World Fishing Tour. We're here for boat draw and pre-meeting for the final flight of Saturday, flight 1D. 20% will advance. We currently have 5 boats that are pre-registered. We still accept registration all the way up until launch time, 10 minutes before launch time. So 5:50 in the morning tomorrow, we'll still accept registrations. We'll launch at 6. So make sure you guys are in the water by 5:40, 5:45 if you guys are already pre-registered. If you guys are not pre-registered and you guys plan on coming tomorrow, please get here a little early so we can get you guys paid up and into the water. This morning we had 4 or 5 guys show up to the ramp to register, so hopefully we get 5 to 10 boats in the morning as well, plus a few latecomers tonight. The only thing that's off limits is things that are posted off limits. So for an example, commercial docks in the state of Missouri are off limits. The only other thing that's off limits is here at the Shawnee Bend boat ramp. From that point, follow the marker buoys around to the other boat ramp over there, to that little rock jetty point there next to those buoys there. So things that are off limits: it's best 5 fish limit, 12-inch spotted bass, 15-inch largemouth and smallmouth. Best 5, you're doing at 3 o'clock. We're launching at safe flight, which the last 3 days has been real close to 6 o'clock, so 5:59 to 6:01, something like that. So as long as we don't have crazy cloud cover, we should be able to get you guys out of here at the same time. So 6 to 3, you got to be due back in to the end of the dock at 3 o'clock where we launch you from, which is where the American flag is also at. Trying to think what else. You can push pull out of a spot if you guys get into a spot by, trolling motor or whatever. You guys can push pull out of a spot. You just cannot push pull into a spot. We use Bassmaster Team Championship rules, so make sure that you guys have read those. One of the most commonly asked questions is, can we use a net? Yes, you can use a net. You cannot use an A-rig, cannot use double fluke rig, stuff like that. So make sure you guys are familiar with the Bassmaster Team Championship rules. Other than that, let's go ahead and get boat draw out of the way. Boat number 1 tomorrow, Ronnie Kane and Corey Steckler. Boat number 2 is Josh Plades and Taylor Brassel. Boat number 3 is Sean Sivier and Dennis Sivier. Boat number 4 is Mike Bean and Jacob Calkin. Boat number 5 is Chipper Solomon and Chuck Powell. And anybody else that registers from now on will be entered in afterwards. So once we have money in hand, we'll get you guys on the list. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Safe flight. See you then.